How's it going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Today's adventure, we're gonna be going to the beach. We just unloaded. We got a spots. Again, if you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, go ahead and consider clicking on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can get alerted when I post new videos up. The Wolfpack, again, like I said, we are at the beach today. It's a nice day. It's nice and breezy. It's about 76 degrees. We got some high tides today too, so we'll see. We'll check out the ocean. Let's go.
We can see everything.
So we just got done setting up on our little spot. So I had to go change. As you guys probably wondering, I'm always wearing long sleeves when I'm under the sun. Yeah, I don't want to get dark, and also I cannot put any sunblock on. I am allergic to sunblock, so I have to wear long sleeves to prevent myself from getting burned and I guess skin cancer. So let's go check out the ocean. Looks like it's high tide today. The waves are pretty huge. It's like crashing down the shore pretty violently. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but there's a little breeze coming in, so I hope you guys can hear me okay. There's also a lot of seaweeds.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take.
Alright, surprisingly, despite of so many weeds and high tides, I mean not high tides, but like surf advisory, the water is actually warm. I don't really like going to cold water, but I'm gonna stand here for a little bit, enjoy the water, and watch the kids.
Can't find a reason why we couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why we couldn't get any closer.
Alright, we're gonna go explore on the other side of the beach. I really like this beach. I don't know if I told you guys where we are at. We are in Corona del Mar here in California. It's family friendly. There's not that crowded today. We were able to find spot parking space right away since we pulled in, and there are people that are coming in and out. A lot of people don't stay that long, so it's kind of nice to have spot. So, and family, the kids have space to play around the sand. Now, oh, look at this place. It is pretty cool. Let me show you. Pretty nice. Probably go hike and check it out, but let's go on this side first. I'm gonna go hike this thing, saying that there's some sharp rocks in there, so we gotta be careful. We are in with our slippers. We don't have any hiking shoes, so should be alright. Should be fun and adventurous. So let's check it out, guys. This is pretty cool. I didn't know they had this here. it is like a little private resorts. There's not that many people here too, and the wave's not that crazy. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Next time we should come on this side, so it's less people, and we could actually. Oh, there's some people cliff diving too.
Oh, look at that boat. Is that a future boat?
We're gonna go higher up and check it out. Check out the view. Really has a nice view down there, but let's go up higher.
So far, I don't feel that we can go around this way.
It's pretty nice. We got another beach down here. It's on the other side of the rocks. You know what? I know. They just don't. Looks like Brother Wolf wants to go down to the beach on the other side of this big rock that we just hiked. They are pretty sharp. Almost cut myself coming down, but I did not. And kind of slippery because of the sand against the rock, so you just gotta be careful. Hey, careful, bud. Let's go downstairs. It's pretty cool here. It looks like a little cave. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this better on this side. It's not as crowded as on the other side. And the waves are not as violent as on the other side. So next time we're gonna come out here.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be.
We're gonna go check out this little tower here, but you gotta wait for the water to go down a little bit so you don't slip. Okay, go, bud. Wait. Just wait for it. Go right here. Give me your hand. This is pretty amazing. I never knew this side existed. We've been coming to this beach a while. What do you think, bud?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Next time maybe we should come here. What do you think?
Yeah, so we can see the view.
You like the view? Yeah, what do you see?
Water, people, everything, even boats.
Boats, yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, next time we should come here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get back and tell the wolf pack what we found. Maybe next time we come here we can stay on this side of town, and it'll be less crowded. We can enjoy more of the water, but it's colder on that side than the other side. Maybe because the wind or something. I don't know, but I like it. hopefully we can come back and stay on that side.